Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. So here we are with another unboxing. And guys, we have also started a new segment of quick unboxing. Do let us know if you like that segment. So guys, let's check it out the unboxing and let's get started. And if you do like our videos, do subscribe us, and we are coming up with much more interesting videos every week. And press the bell icon for the future video notification updates. And also do visit our newly launched website electrofun.co.in for the full detailing of this phone and also for some other cool techs and some learning things. So now let's get started. Coming to the unboxing, we have over here Samsung Galaxy M40 with us, and as you can see the packaging is as same as the Samsung has offered in the past. Now let's get rid of this plastic and let's unbox the phone. So over here we have 6GB 64GB cocktail orange color variant with us with Indian retail unit. So with this unit you have to use your Indian SIM card for 5 minutes and you can use it abroad after using your Indian SIM card. And also this phone has been the first from Samsung which houses Infinity O display. So now coming to the packaging of this phone, it looks quite normal. Now breaking the Indian SIM card seal over here. Now as you can see the tag of Indian SIM card only over here. So you have to use Indian SIM card at first while using the international SIM card in this phone, as it is the Indian retail box unit. And you can see in this there is another box at first. And while we pull out this, you can see the Samsung branding on this box too. And this box contains some quick start guide, regional lock guide, and some warranty details over here, also with SAR values. Now moving further in, we have the cocktail orange color variant over here. As you can see, it is a very great look. And now let's get rid of this plastic over here. As we quickly unbox it and keeping the plastic aside, you can see the cocktail orange color over the back is looking fabulous over here. Now let's just start the device and keep it aside. So by the time the mobile boots, you can see further more things which is coming inside the phone. Over here is a Samsung fast charger 15-watt adapter, and also this phone is USB Type-C supported, so we get a USB Type-C cable over here, as you can see over here. And also we do get a pair of headphones which is basic in-ear style, but it is a Type-C headphones. Also we get the SIM ejector tool. So now moving to the device. At the back you can see the great glossy look which is coming from the device, which is cocktail orange color and some rainbowish pattern. Now as you can see the back look glossy, but it is not made up of glass or metal, it is made up of plastic, as the M series has been so far. Now also at the back there are triple camera setup which houses 3 cameras. One camera is of 32 megapixel with aperture of f1.7 and another is 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor having aperture f2.2, and the last camera is of 5 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shoots with aperture f2.2. and also you can see the Samsung logo at the back. Now coming at the right side, you get some yellowish shade at the right side with power button and volume rockers at the right side. And moving to the top side, you get a microphone at the top, and at the left you can see the SIM card ejector tool, which is a hybrid SIM tool, and the memory card slot expansion can be up to 1 TB. Now at the bottom you can see the microphone, the speaker and the USB Type-C port, but there is no headphone jack over here. So that's why Samsung has provided Type-C headphone with this mobile. So now let's just begin and dig further in what we can see in the display. Moving just inside. So as the device loads up, you can see the device itself is an Infinity O panel by Samsung, and you get a 6.3-inch long Full HD Plus display, which results in 1080 by 2340 pixels in 19:9 aspect ratio, and also it houses 409 pixel per inch density. Now skipping all these steps just to boot the device, as it said all done. So at the first impression the device looks quite nice, as it is a full screen display. You cannot see anything at the top over here, as Samsung has embedded on-screen speaker in this phone. So the all-screen, the phone itself acts as a speaker while you are on call, and you can use the phone in different orientation while using the call. And also coming at the selfie camera, over here at the front we get 16 megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. Now talking about the battery capacity, the phone is of battery capable of 3500 mAh and it is supported by the fast charging. Now the heart of the phone is powered by Snapdragon 675, which is clocked at dual cores at 2 GHz and 6 cores running at 1.7 GHz. Also it has got Adreno 612 GPU for gaming and multimedia purpose. Now coming to the software point of view, the phone contains Samsung One UI, which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. Now the first look of the phone is quite fabulous, and it is a must buy for a 20K price segment. Also the Snapdragon 675 is a much better processor compared to the Exynos which has been launched in the predecessor of the Samsung Galaxy M series. So guys, hope you like our video and our unboxing. Now if you do like our video, do like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to us for more such unboxing content, and do visit our website electrophone.co.in for more amazing contents. Thank you guys.